Well, January 12th, 2011, and we are in a blizzard. This is how much snow we've got. Take a good look. Crunch, crunch, crunch. There's the van. Crunch, crunch. Oh my God, did we get some snow? They barely got us, they didn't even plow us. Finally. There's my truck. If you notice, it's all snowed in. My morning lump, my Buzz Lumpa, my Oida sticker, our neighborhood. Our trash was supposed to be taken out today. Not a chance. There's our house. And there's our neighborhood. That's what we see out back. That's the pond across the street. We live in a dead-end neighborhood. We like it. I hate the snow. I really and truly hate the snow. It's going to take me a good 2-3 hours to get this cleaned out with a snowblower and a shovel. So, boy, I tell you what, living in sunny Southern California, that sure does kind of come up on my mind occasionally. Wow. That's the back of my wife's van. That's a snowbank. And that's the walkway. Good luck. What else can I show you guys? So, anybody says, oh, the snow is so beautiful in the wintertime. Yeah. It's not. It's miserable. They're talking at least, we've got 14 inches a few hours ago. We're going to have at least 20 inches by the time this storm is said and done with. That's a lot of snow. So I'm going to try to hike back to the... Oh my God. Shoveling yet. Eventually I'm going to. Now the backyard. This is the backyard. We shoveled a little area just for Lucky. Poor dog. Every one of our cats jumped outside and jumped back inside. They kind of looked at me like, well, what is this? And that's our pine tree. That's our little gazebo we have. And if you can just take a look at this table, that's just sitting here. So, yeah, it's a big snowstorm. And it's not going to get done till tonight, so we're looking at least 2 feet of snow. Wouldn't surprise me if we didn't get it. So, you want to live in New England? This is what you're stuck with. Talk to everybody later on YouTube.